Okay, guys, Gomath7.3, algebra, use symbols to compare. Our essential question today asks, how can you use symbols to show how numbers compare? And on this, it wants us to show numbers that are less than, equal to, or greater than 36. And so what we're going to do is a number that is less than 36. Well, I'm going to use a number that has less tens. So I'm going to put 2 tens and 3 ones. And 2 tens and 3 ones makes the number what? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I know that 23 is less than 36. And see that alligator mouth? It's open to the big number. And we read it, 23 is less than 36. Now the next thing they want us to do is to draw a number that is equal to 36. Well, the only number equal to 36 is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 36 is equal to 36. And see, we've used the equal sign there. And then the last problem, they want us to show a number that is greater than 36. So again, I'm going to add one more 10, and I'm just going to put 2 ones. And that number is 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. 42 is greater than 36. And notice that my alligator mouth is open to the big number. Okay? So, that's what we're doing today. We're comparing. Oops. All right. What have I done? Okay, model and draw. Model and draw. All right. So, they've got the first one drawn out for us, and they're using sticks now. So, we just have to count the sticks and the ones, and look, they're even using circles. So, we have 1 stick, 2 stick, and a circle, and that is 21. And then we have 2 tens and 4 ones, makes the number 24. And 21 is less than 24. So I'm just going to make sure that alligator mouth opens toward the biggest number, and then it says 21 is less than 24. Okay? The next one shows 24. And it shows 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here, boys and girls, is another 10. They're trying to trick us. So in actuality, I have 24 here and 24 here, just done different ways. So 24 is equal to 24. So they're trying to trick us there, aren't we? On this problem, we have 3 tens, which makes 30, 10, 20, 30. And then we have 2 tens, and we have 4 ones, which makes the number 24, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. And we know that 30 is my biggest number because I have 3 tens in it. So 30 is greater than 24. All right. So now we have, we're going to use 10 towers and cubes to draw and show each number. and then we have to write, right here we have to write the sign, and then we have to write the words is less than or is greater than on the line. Okay, so our first number is 28, and that has 2 10s and it has 8 1s. Okay, and then we have 35, which has 3 10s and 5 1s. Well, I know that 35 has more 10s than 28. So I'm going to put that alligator mouth open to the big number, but the way it reads is 28, because it's the smaller number, is less than 35. So when I write it, it is going to say 28 is less than 35. Okay? And then our second one is 16 is equal to 16. Okay. I have 1 10 and I have 6 1s, or I could just write 16 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Either way I write it, because this actually turns out to be 1 10 and 6 1s. So that number is equal, because 16 is equal or the same as 16. And then when I write it, 16 is equal to 16. All right, that looks like a 70, but 46 and 31. All right, let's draw it out. I have 4 10s and I have 6 1s in the number 46. And then I have 3 10s and 1 1 in the number 31. So I know that 31 is my smallest and 46 is greater than. So I'm going to make sure that alligator mouth opens to the big number. And then when I write it, I write 46 is, shoot. 46 is greater than, it's hard to write on this whiteboard, 31. 46 is greater than 31. Next I have 51 and 52. Well, 51 has 5 10s and 1 1, and 52 has 5 10s and 2 1s. So which one's the biggest? Well, the 5s are the same, so I have to go to the 1s place. 2 is greater than the 1, so that means 51 is less than 52. Alligator mouth open to the big number. So that is 51 is less than 52. Okay, that's what you're going to be doing on your seesaw work. Just make sure that alligator mouth opens to the big number, and you'll have a good time with it. Okay. All right. Well, fiddlesticks. Okay, there you go. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.